Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Perkenalkan, nama saya Dr. Fajar Kaifi Rizky, SHMH, selaku dosen Fakultas Hukum Universitas Sumatera Utara. Pada video ini, saya akan mendeskripsikan tentang konferensi internasional dalam forum ilmiah ICOSEN 2024 First International Conference on Social Environment Diversity dengan tema New Paradigm of Diversity and Sustainability in Social and Community yang diselenggarakan oleh Universitas Semarang, Universitas Sumatera Utara, dan Universitas Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa pada tanggal 5 November tahun 2024 di Semarang, Provinsi Jawa Tengah. Video ini merupakan hasil luaran penelitian berupa hak atas kekayaan intelektual atau HKI dalam bentuk hak cipta karya sinematografi yang berjudul tentang Regulations of the Obligation of Industrial Business Actors in Making Wastewater Treatment Plant atau WWTP according to Indonesian legislation, yang ditulis oleh peneliti saya sendiri dalam bentuk karya ilmiah antara lain Fajar Kaifi Rizky, Khalida Saputri, Jelile Pija, dan Riyadi Alhayan. Adapun substansi dari video ini adalah pelaku usaha industri diwajibkan untuk membuat IPAL atau instalasi pengolahan air limbah dalam pencegahan dan pengendalian air limbah yang dihasilkan oleh pelaku usaha industri yang memberikan dampak negatif atau berbahaya bagi lingkungan hidup sesuai dengan kebijakan pemerintah dan peraturan perundang-undangan yang berlaku, sehingga terciptanya perlindungan dan pengelolaan lingkungan hidup yang berwawasan pembangunan berkelanjutan. Demikianlah pengantar atau deskripsi video ini. Silahkan ditonton. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you all. Allow me to present the results of my research on ICOSEN 2024, the first international conference on social environmental diversity, new paradigm of diversity on sustainable is social and community. By title, Regulations of the Obligation of Industrial Business Actors in Making Wastewater Treatment Plant or WWTP according to Indonesian legislations. Author Fajar Kaifi Rizky, Khalida Saputri, Jelile Pija, and Riyadi Alhayan. My presenters, Fajar Kaifi Rizky, 15 November 2024. Introductions. Wastewater is the residue of a processing process from business activities that has the potential for pollution and distortions and negative impacts on the environment. Therefore, every business activity actor, especially industrial business actors, is required to make a wastewater treatment plant or WWTP in accordance with the provisions of regulation governing wastewater treatment in the environment, and these industrial business activities must pay attention to the preservation of environmental functions, especially in waste management. The problem of these research are the obligations of business actors in wastewater treatment and the regulations of the obligations of industrial business actors in making wastewater treatment plant or WWTP according to laws and regulations. The purpose of the research is to find out the obligations of business actors in wastewater treatment and the regulations of the obligations of industrial business actors in making wastewater treatment plan or WWTP according to statutory regulations. Methods. This research was conducted using normative legal research. Normative legal research is library legal research conducted by examining library materials or secondary data only. The research approach used is a statutory approach. The data source used in this research were obtained through secondary data. Secondary data consists of legal materials in the form of laws and regulations, books, and scientific work. The data collection technique in this research use data collection techniques or library research. Data collection tools from data collections technique of library research, namely analyzing legal materials obtained through library research in the form of tabulated secondary data, which is the systematized by selecting legal instruments that are relevant to the object of research. Furthermore, the legal material analysis is synchronous with the topic and problem in this research. The data analysis used in this research is qualitative research. Results and discussions. Point A. Obligations of business actors in wastewater treatment. Based on Article 1.20 of Law Number 6 of 2023 concerning job creations, is the residue of a business and or activity while wastewater is water that comes from a process in an activity according to Government Regulations Number 22 of 2021 concerning the implementation of environmental protections and management. Business actors who produce wastewater are required to treat the wastewater produces before discharging it into the environmental media. This obligation is regulated in Article 200, 230 paragraph 1 of Government Regulations Number 22 of 2021 concerning the implementation of environmental protection and management, which states that the persons in charge of business and or activities that produce wastewater must treat wastewater. In addition to considering the approach technology to treat wastewater, business actors, especially industrial business actors, also need to think about and prefer environmental media in the form of wastewater treatment plant or WWTP as a disposal and or utilizations of treated wastewater. Hazardous waste management is an activity that includes reductions, stores, collections, transportation, utilizations, processing, and or landfilling. The obligation to carry out hazardous waste management is an effort to reduce the occurrence of risk to the environment in the form of pollutions and or environmental damage, considering that hazardous waste has considerable potential to cause negative impacts. The obligations of business actors in hazardous waste management are 1. Producers, 2. Depositors, 3. Users. Point B, regulation of the obligation of industrial business actors in making wastewater treatment plant or WWTP according to Indonesian legislation. In Indonesian legislation, the obligation of wastewater treatment plant or WWTP for the implementation of industrial business is regulated to preserve the environment and prevent pollution due to industrial activities. Regulations related to wastewater management are elaborated in various laws and government regulations, which aim to ensure that industries carry out waste treatment according to applicable standards. Regulations regarding the obligation of wastewater treatment plant or WWTP for the implementations of industrial business are contained in Prudential Regulation or Perpres number 2 of 2018 concerning National Industrial Policy 2015 to 2019, revoking Presidential Regulation number 28 of 2008 concerning National Industrial Policy. The main objective of Presidential Regulation or Perpres number 2, 2018 on in National Industrial Policy to encourage the accelerations of national industrial development in order to increase the competitiveness of Indonesian industry in the global market. This prudential regulation stipulates the policy and direction of industrial development in order to create an independent, competitive, and advanced industry in a sustainable manner. Furthermore, in the Minister of Environment Regulation number 03 of 2010, concerning wastewater quality standards for industrial estates, revoking the decree of the Minister of Environment number cap 03 Men LH 1199 concerning liquid waste quality standards for industrial estate is a legal basis that provides a more structured and clear framework for industrial estates to manage their liquid waste in accordance with the development of current environmental and technological conditions. The implementations of industrial business has a negative impact on the environmental, and to minimize this negative impact, there should be a forced effort from the government as a responsibility for the activities and or business of the industrial sector to comply with all regulation governing the obligations of business owners to manage existing environmental effect due to the productions process carry on. This is done in order to find out how effective the level of industrial compliance with the provision of law and regulations in the environmental fight in ensuring the preservation of environmental functions from the results of business activities or industrial activities that are running. The role of the government in this case is the obligation to make provisions such as policies and regulations, guidance, and jointly synergies to carry out supervision. On the other hand, business actors in the industrial sector have an obligation to fulfill the provisions of environmental regulation as stipulated in law number 32 of 2009 concerning environmental protection and management and related derivative regulations. Conclusions, the obligation of business actors in wastewater treatment is regulated in Article 130 paragraph 1 of Government Regulations number 22 of 2021 concerning the implementation of environmental protection and management, which states that the person in charge of business and or activities that produce wastewater must treat wastewater. Conclusion point 2, wastewater treatment or WWTP management is an obligation for every industrial business actor in Indonesia in accordance with the governing regulation, namely law number 32 of 2009 concerning environmental protection and management, law number 6 of 223 concerning job creations, government regulation number 22 of 2021 concerning the implementation of environmental protection and management and other implementing regulation. The purpose of making a wastewater treatment plant or WWTP for industrial business is to reduce the risk to the environment in the form of pollution and or damage to the environment, which has considerable potential and can cause negative impact. Thank you for watching my video presentations. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.